What you looking at? Got a little squirrel friend out there? You guys making goo-goo eyes at each other? Can you say squirrel? That wasn't too bad. Squirrel? Squirrel. Don't let Chobi see him. What's the squirrel's name? Chooch? Chooch. We're going to call everything Chooch now, aren't we? Oh, there he goes. Where's he going? I think he's hiding the acorn. Oh, there he goes. Up onto the roof. Yeah. How's everything else going? You got big plans for today? Watch your boy Tech. La la la. Chooch. Anything profound you want to say today? Can you say hi? Hi, bye bye. What's my name? What's my name? Jeju. What's the duck say? Quack quack. Alright, see you later. Love you, Avery. Oh, you gonna put those on? Here. I thought you wanted to wear them. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Bye-bye. You got the remote? Yep, good job. I don't know what you did, but you did something. Can you give me a kiss goodbye? Mwah. Have a great day.